Hello little artists! Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Red color. Red color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Brown color. Blue color. Orange color. Green color. Brown color. color. Yellow color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.